Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to auto backup WhatsApp messages. To do this, you just need to go to WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app, and after that go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, and after that go and click on settings. In settings, scroll down a little bit, go to chats, and after that scroll down a little bit again and click on chat backup. In chat backup, go and click on automatic backups. And as you can see here, you have multiple options. You have the daily backup, the weekly backup, the monthly backup, and only when I tap backup. So if you want an automatic backup, you just need, for example, daily backup and choose the account that you want to backup on it. And after that, it will activate, like you need to give access to your Google account, and like that you will have automatic backup daily on your Google account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button and don't forget also to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.